Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Be ready for the dictation for the aspirants who are preparing for Punjab and Haryana subordinate court exam. Ready? Start. On the other hand, comma, learned APP appearing for the state strongly opposes the bail plea, contending that in light of the quantity of contraband recovered 21.508 kilograms of ganja from the conscious possession of the applicant, the rigorous of Section 37 of the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act (NDPS Act) clause are attracted. Full stop. It is submitted that the applicant does not satisfy the twin conditions under Section 37 within bracket 1 within bracket b comma and therefore comma is not entitled to the concession of bail. Full stop. She argues that the raid was conducted strictly in accordance with the procedural safeguards mandated under section 42 of the NDPS Act, including proper documentation and compliance with requirements concerning search and seizure. Full stop. It is further submitted by her that the applicant was duly served with a notice under section 50 of the NDPS Act informing him of his legal right to be searched before a magistrate or a gazetted officer, comma, thereby ensuring procedural compliance during the recovery process. Full stop. I have heard the submissions of both sides and I am of the considered view that the applicant deserves to be released on bail during the pendency of the trial. Full stop. The petitioner has already undergone nearly 3 years of incarceration, and the progress of the trial has been exceptionally slow, with only 3 out of 18 prosecution witnesses examined so far. Full stop. This prolonged pre-trial detention combined with the sluggish pace of proceedings are contributory factors in favor of granting bail, particularly when similarly situated under trials have been granted bail by this court in comparable circumstances. In the cases cited by learned counsel for the applicant. Full stop. Moreover, the quantity of ganja allegedly recovered from the applicant is only marginally above the threshold of commercial quantity under the NDPS Act. Full stop. The commercial quantity for ganja is 20 kilograms, whereas the alleged recovery in the present case is 21.508 kilograms. Full stop. In such a scenario, the strict application of the rigorous of section 37 of the NDPS Act may not be justified and warrants a more nuanced consideration. Full stop. While the prosecution reliance on section 37 is ultimately a matter for trial, comma, the submissions made on his behalf do not really present a credible case for denial of bail. Full stop. As for the likelihood of the applicant committing a similar offense if released, comma, there is no indication of any previous criminal record or antecedents, comma, making such a possibility appear remote at this stage. Full stop. As for the apprehension of tampering with evidence, it is pertinent to note that the contraband and other material evidence have already been seized and are securely in the custody of the prosecution, rendering any risk of tampering illusory and oblique or mere suspicion, full stop and over. सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 80 WPM डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।